Hey guys, Rigo here with a global profit system traffic video. So in this video we're going to be going over my latest traffic run results. So I did, as most of you know, if you're watching this video, probably you already know that I do traffic runs every week and I do free traffic strategies as well, guys. So I work with both. And this video is going to go over the paid traffic results for this week, guys. So really good results, which I will get into right now. But first of all, I'm going to be talking about what is global profit system. So kind of a global profit system review video here, just for a tiny bit, just to tell you guys what is global profit system. So let's just jump into that right away. Global Profit System is a free marketing system. There's no cost, no one-time fee, no monthly fee. It's a completely 100% free marketing system, guys, that you are looking at it right now. Actually, this is the Global Profit System. I referred for over 400 people into the system. I've used the training that they've taught. They have paid traffic training as well as free traffic training, so they got you covered on whatever you decide to do, guys. For me, I want to build this up as fast as I possibly can, so I'm doing both, guys. I'm firing on all cylinders. But going back to what is Global Profit System, it's a free marketing system, like I already mentioned, and inside of this free marketing system are three different income streams. And let me just show you guys what they are. They are GDI, Global Domains International, which deals with domains. Aweber, an autoresponder. You can host your list through Aweber. ClickFunnels, opt-in page maker, sales page maker, landing page, sales funnel creator, all that good stuff, guys. So these are the three different income streams within Global Profit System. And through each one of these income streams, you will receive a free trial. So with GDI, you will receive a 7-day actually, this isn't 7, this is 5, a 7-day free trial. With Aweber, you will receive a month-long free trial, and ClickFunnels, you will receive a 2-week free trial, guys. And of course, Global Profit System is free, so it's free for forever, pretty much. And so basically, guys, you can set all of this up for free without having to pay a dime. You can start running traffic to it and start making commissions. Start getting signups. So yeah, guys, it's a very simple system. The system goes through it's a step-by-step system, guys. It will walk you through everything. No, let's go back to home. It will walk you through absolutely everything. There's a system overview, your account, your links, training, promotion material, support. If you need help, you will go get it through there. Yeah, this is a training, guys. You will go through these videos one by one. Make sure you go through everything so you understand what's going on. Bonus training. So yeah, guys, you can basically just create a free account and go through the training, go through the system. The system really walks you through how making money online really works. It'll go from, it'll teach you how to build your list, how to, how to build an email series that is already pre-written for you, that will go out to your leads and keep reminding them. Sorry, guys, my mouth is a little dry. I'm a little bit under the weather. Yeah, it will keep reminding your leads over and over. It will send them emails, guys, to remind them about the system, because obviously they opted into your capture page, and if they created a free account with Global Profit System, that means they are interested in what the system provides. So there's a ton of value in here, guys. They also go over each income stream and show you guys why it's a good income stream, why it's a legit income stream. GDI and Aweber have been around since like 1998, 99. ClickFunnels, not that long, but it's right now it's one of the fastest growing companies out there. It's just killing it. A lot of people are making a lot of money with it. I'm not sure exactly. I think maybe it's been around for 4 or 5 years, something like that. But look, it's a legit company, guys. It's growing. So those are the companies that I like to work with, companies that have been around for a long time, and that will keep being around for a long time, because I want to build that residual income, guys. I have monthly bills to pay, so I want to create monthly residual income as well. I mean, that makes sense, right? It makes sense to me, guys. So basically, that's what the system is, guys. It offers so much value to your leads. I've found it to be really high converting. I've built a team in like 2 months. I think it's gonna be 2 months now. In the 2 months that I've been promoting it, I'm going to be making a video later on about my results probably, so you guys can check that out. So make sure you subscribe so you can check out my results. And I will talk about a little bit, go more in detail about everything, the income streams and stuff. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe again. But yeah, guys, it's pretty much what the global profit system is. It's not very complicated. It's very easy. It's a free marketing system that you can sign up for free. You can check out. You can go through each single step so you can see the value that is offered there. You can check out the training. You can you can do whatever you want basically, guys. You can get it for free. I would advise you to activate the income streams and start growing residual income, because these are income streams that every marketer out there needs, which is why I really like global profit system and all the income streams that it has to offer. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, I'm going to leave a link down here, or you guys can create your free account. I have plenty more videos on my YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe. My Facebook link is going to be down there. My email down there as well. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you contact me. Now, let's get into my paid traffic run results, guys. So I ordered sorry guys, my throat again. I ordered 200 clicks, right? And I got about 220 clicks here. Right here. So the vendor that I've been using these past few weeks, now I switch from vendor to vendor and every certain amount of time. However, I'm not really calculating it exactly, just kind of how whenever I feel like, you guys, whenever I want to try out a new source, I just kind of go do that, and then I go back to the same vendors that I've gotten good results from, that I've gotten good quality leads from. So that's just what I do. You can do whatever you like. But I've had three runs with this most recent vendor, and they all add up here. All the clicks have been adding up. So the first order I got 200 clicks. Every single order I've ordered 200 clicks, guys, and he's over delivered the first two runs with 25 clicks, and then my most latest run with 20 clicks. So I got 220 clicks, but I paid for 200 clicks. So everything more than 200 clicks is over delivery, guys. And that's over delivery to kind of help out the opt-in percentage that you get. And of course, like we always say, we're aiming for 30%. A little higher, a little lower is fine. So that's what we're aiming for all the time. So let's just go ahead and this is my Aweber account right here. So I just put in the date. My traffic run started on December 2nd on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so it finally ended during the night. So this is, as you guys can see, sorry guys, this is the date is on or after December 2nd. So anyone that was added to my list after December 2nd, which is just in the last two days. So yeah, guys, these are pretty much my results. 63 subscribers added to my email list. So we can go ahead and get the opt-in percentage from that. So we're gonna get 63 divided by 200. So that is a 31% opt-in rate, guys. So that is awesome. Like I mentioned, you should be aiming for 30%. Sometimes you will get lower, sometimes higher. It all averages out, and it should average out to 30%, guys. So that's what you should be aiming for, which I've done my numbers, and they a little bit over 30% actually, which I'm very happy with. But yeah, guys, my my vendors, the ones that I've used, and basically since I started doing paid traffic online, I've had a really good luck with them. I've had really good leads, really good quality leads. So yeah, guys, and the person that I'm using now is a little bit cheaper than everything else I've used before, than everyone else I've used. So, and then he's giving me discounts as well to try out the traffic. And so sometimes you also have to build a relationship with your solo ad seller, and every once in a while, or for holidays, for Black Friday I got a discount, and stuff like that. So you really want to build a relationship with your solo ad seller if you can. Not saying you have to, but if you can, they might offer you some discounts from time to time. So that's really great, guys. I'm very happy from this run. I got 3 people who are trialing GDI. which, like I always say in my videos, I never expect sales on my first run, you know, on my traffic run when someone sees a product for the first time. Never really expect those, but of course I always welcome them, and I got 3. So yeah, guys, so we'll see, you know, hopefully they become active, but I've actually recently become a platinum director with GDI, so I will show you guys in another video. I'll make a video just, you know, completely talking about that, because, you know, this video is already 10 minutes long, and I don't want to make it 20 minutes long, so I'll make a separate video about that, and I'll share my new title with you guys, which is very exciting. I've never really built gone up the ranks before like that in a company, and you know, especially this fast, guys. So it's been happening really fast. Like I mentioned, I've only been with GI for like 2 months. I'm already ranking up, so I'm very, very excited. Obviously this system has a lot to do with it, a lot of value, and when you have a good offer, people convert. You know, people see the value and they convert, so that's awesome. That's awesome. I'm really, really happy where I'm at right now with Global Profit System, and I'm really excited where I will be in a year, guys. So very exciting, guys. It's pretty much it. Pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Just, you know, my latest traffic run results, and that is pretty much it. You guys have any questions? Like I mentioned, my info will be down here, Facebook, my email. The link will be down here as well to create your free account. You know, you can create your free account, check out the system for yourself, see what you think. Any questions you might have, send them my way. I'm happy to help. Anything I can do to help you, of course, you can feel free to reach out to me. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to upload as many videos as I can. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like always, I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.